Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get basically Spotify, but this thing allows your Spotify to be I was going blocking ads. So it's basically a full version of Spotify, but it's blocking ads. It's called Spot X, and this is on GitHub. I'll put this inside the description for you guys, so don't worry about that. The only thing you have to go to is release point dot eight. Scroll down and then click on. I was going to tell the theme you want. I was going to new theme, so I'm gonna click on the install new theme. But um, but don't worry, you're not gonna get a virus from this because I have used it many times. Yeah. So now it's gonna start installing. Just see. So you're understanding, but I click Y and click enter. Next thing it'll ask you to uninstall because me I'm basically installing it again because I already have it installed, but I'll show you guys always go how to install it. So I'm gonna click on install over, but I want to install it, uninstall it, and do you want to uninstall the current version? I click yes, click Y, and that's gonna I was gonna uninstall my old Spotify, and my Spotify account is not premium. It's it's just the free version. So I'll show you guys. So now it's gonna start doing this thing. Also, it doesn't even take that long to. I was going to install it. It's quite good, and yeah, I'll show you. Just wait for it to install. So now it's finished, and then after this, it's gonna ask you also if you want to install what's it called like the what's it called like the what's it called like the audio book too. I was going to say yes or just disable it. I'm just gonna click yes because I don't know. I might want it, but I don't really. I was gonna be listening to podcasts like that. I only listen to music, but I'll click no, click enter. I do want to block updates, yes, because I don't like updating my thing every single time. You're still gonna get I was gonna new music, so it doesn't really matter even if you're updated. Yeah. I was gonna, but for your case, you guys can just put no because obviously you might want to. I was gonna update. I was gonna update for your Spotify, so just click no. I would just put no. I mean, type no. But now it has installed. I click enter. Spotify's right here. Double click on it, and then I'll show you guys how I sign in. So now Spotify is opening. So now I just click sign in, and then it should open on my browser. This is my login. I already signed in because of my browser is linked to my Spotify, so it just signs me in. And then I'll go to settings and I show you that this is the actual free version, but it's really gives you access to full, you know, Spotify premium version. So obviously, if I go to my account, but I can't do that because it's gonna show all my information, and I don't want to, So, but it's basically no ads. Obviously, you can click on any sort of music, listen to it, skip. I was gonna go to I was going any sort of album, play it, save it. All the things that I was going premium I was good users can get. You have it. That's basically it for the Oscar tutorial, and hopefully this has helped you guys because I was gonna, no one likes paying for it. So I was going Spotify Premium, and I don't. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you get Spotify Premium for free on your PC. So Windows 10 and Windows 11 and Windows down can get it. Except Windows XP can't get it, and Windows Vista can't get it too. But maybe Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. Yeah, you can install this. But that's basically it. There's a way to get I was called Spotify Premium on your I was called Android phone. I was basically have to download I was called AKP basically install that for the thing. Yeah. I was if you guys want to do some I was called Android tutorial videos, just let me know because I was gonna also know that too, and I also know how to read your phone and how to install TWRP. If you guys ever want me to do them sort of I was good video, just let me know. I was gonna just comment. I was going under this video, and then I was going I can make a video on that. So that's basically it. Hopefully you guys have find this I was a tutorial video helpful, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace. Bye.